everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I thought I would go ahead and bring you along. I'm going to whip up a nice, quick, sweet treat dessert type item. I had the idea that what I would do is I would go ahead and mix up the Greek yogurt with the sugar-free vanilla, throw in some strawberries, and then use one of my Fiber One lemon bars. So kind of like a parfait type dessert. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a quarter of that box of sugar-free vanilla pudding. So it's going to be 3 Smart Points for my entire dessert. So kind of interesting, right? Are you excited? Let me know in the comments if you want me to try to come up with another dessert. I also have the Fiber One brownie ones, so I thought I would try to figure out something to do with this one for a dessert. And also I just heard they have a birthday cake one. So again, let me know in the comments. Just put dessert. I don't know if I just gave you a word, but put dessert down in the comments, and I'll know to try to, like I said, come up with the brownie one, and then I'll try to find that birthday cake one and see if I can come up with something good for that too. So we're going to go ahead and grab some Greek yogurt. And I'm hoping to make some of that 2-ingredient dough with this Greek yogurt, so that's going to be good. I haven't made bagels or anything in a while, so I thought I would try something new. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw some of this, because it is 0 Smart Points, into the bowl. Thinking it's about a cup, I would say. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that in there. And then I'm going to turn on my food scale, because that's going to make it easier for me to measure out the sugar-free vanilla pudding. So since I already have this one open, I'm just going to go ahead and use this one. Just remember that. I'm glad I didn't open up another one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in approximately 10, what does it say here? 1/4 of the serving of this box. So the box is 38 grams. So I'm going to use like 9 ounces. I'm sorry, 9 grams, not ounces. 9 grams. And we're just going to go ahead and put that into the bowl. Sometimes it's just easier to do it this way. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle that in until I get to see 9. I'm at 8. And I'm at 10. So I'll try to, I don't think that whether it's 9 or 10, it's really going to make that big of a difference. So we're just going to go ahead and leave that at 10. I'm going to grab a spoon. We're going to mix this up. And it's going to be super quick. I think this will come together super quick. So the most time-consuming part will just be incorporating this pudding mix into the Greek yogurt. Now, let me know also in the comments if you've tried this before. I know that I always make my candy apple salad, and that one is like my absolute favorite when it comes to using the Greek yogurt. And I'll put that link below too. I'm sure most of you have seen that because it's one of my most popular videos on my channel. So that looks pretty good. Isn't it funny how it turns just that vanilla color? All right, so I have my jar here, because you guys know I love my mason jars. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of that in the bottom of my mason jar. It's a little thicker, so. All right, we'll put like half, maybe a third of it in there. All right, so we've got that in there. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Fiber One bar. And again, if you have not tried these Fiber One bars, they're so good. And I was going to cut them, but I think I'm just going to crumble some of it in here. Do about half. I'm going to layer in half my strawberries. Throw in some more of the filling, the the vanilla Greek yogurt filling. I think I'm gonna leave that there. I'm gonna crumble the rest of this on top. Drop some on my counter as normal. Throw in some more strawberries. I'll leave a couple so we can throw it on top. And then throw the rest of that in there. It's okay for me to stick my finger in it because I'm going to be the one eating it. Alright, and just our last couple of strawberries. And there we go. Quick, easy dessert. Didn't take hardly any time at all. And it's going to be delicious. 3 Smart Points, lemon, strawberry, vanilla dessert. You could also change this up and maybe put the cheesecake in it. But I wasn't sure about the cheesecake and lemon. The lemon cake. I wasn't sure about that combination. To me, the vanilla sounded better, so I thought that was better. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and jump off here, and I'm going to enjoy this fun dessert. Again, 3 Smart Points. You can't go wrong. All right, with that said, I'm going to sign off. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And with that said, have a great day, and we will see you next time.